And welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm going to be swatching a Mecca Polish. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name, but you can see it in the title. So to swatch this one, I've decided to do it on the swatch stick, and you'll see towards the end, so if you stick around you can see what it looks like on my actual nail, and I do a little tiny bit of nail art as well. Not the best one, but just to give you a really good indication of how it looks in different scenarios, so stay tuned for that one. Just a few moments away. So starting out, I did one coat of polish across the three. On my third one, and you'll see this in a second, I did this a little bit thicker, must have just had a bit of extra polish on the brush, and so I actually went and used the fourth one as well because I wanted to have a really fair comparison between 1, 2 and 3 essentially. So I decided to do that fourth one just so you could actually see a fair sort of evaluation of it. So for the second coat, obviously I left number one as is because I just want to see the one coat. I built that second layer up. It's looking a hell of a lot better compared to the one where you can still see through it essentially. And so I was pretty surprised because it's really watery. Is the only way I can really describe it. It's very thin formula. And so with 2 and 3, I was expecting it still to be really sheer. And it still is, like it's hard to see on the camera, but I wasn't expecting it to be that thick. So for the third coat, which I decided was going to be my last one, because honestly if you're doing 4 coats on a nail polish, there's something going on. On my third coat, it showed up okay. If I held it up to the light or held up the swatch wheel, it was still pretty opaque. So I decided to see what it looks like on my nail. And for the first coat, you could barely see it. Honestly, if I hadn't told you that there was nail polish on there, it would be pretty hard to pick that there was anything there. So the second coat looked a lot better. You could start seeing some color shining through, but it's still so it was still so transparent. You could still see the bottom of my nail there, and it wasn't any different with the third layer. And so at this point, I really wasn't impressed with it. For a polish to take 3 coats and still not have enough color depth in it that it actually covers your nail properly, and considering how it looks in the bottle, I was quite surprised, because in the bottle it looks like it'd just be a standard polish and looks like the color would be really strong. So I decided to see what this would look like with a French tip, because I thought that would be the best sort of nail art that would go with this. And I will warn you, I did this really roughly. Please ignore the horrible line. I just wanted to see sort of what it looks like in a really quick job without too much care. So don't hate me for the horrible line that you'll see in a second. If you are new to French tip, I found these little circle sort of half moon stickers, or you can get straight ones, are really useful for creating those really nice lines when you haven't brushed it like I've just done. So the French tip, it does look okay, but overall I'm still not impressed with the polish. It is a discontinued one now, but I'm wondering if other Mecca polishes are like this. So this polish was given to me as a gift, and so I'd like to know, let me know in the comments if you have used any Mecca polishes. How have you found them? Are they really like translucent like this one, or are they pretty opaque in general? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for my next swatch in a few weeks time. Thank you. Bye.